I can't proud in my country in Nigeria because we don't get any movement, no any chigaba for Nigeria. One light to life. No any chigaba. That the way we do independent, we are independent of 61 years, we are happy or independent. People are dying that day. That day they kill guys, many boys, 200 people boys, they cut them. Come again, they fighting. Then shoot gun, 24 hours, morning to night. When we are dying, we are happy, defend, we are moving out of the we are dying again. Which can check about that? It's my land, but God punish them.
So now, what
advice I want to give our leaders in Nigeria, may they change, may they not say they will die, may they not say God die. May they not say anything they do. Anything they do. If they die, then go to God's place, they will expect what they do. One person gather 200 motor for a house. Gather 3 billion for a house. See, people are hungry and dying. You don't give anybody. You don't touch people. But people are dying for hungry. One person carry all country for a house. So can we go say about people house and money full of more people are dying for hungry. They don't even touch anybody. Whenever they tell say we are proud of one lie, they're not proud of what they kill us. That's why they tell my people, I beg, may anybody not come out to election. Because if you do election, they will kill us. If it's time for election, if anybody not come out, well, anybody not vote for APC, no vote for PDP, no vote for any bagger.
Wow.
Stay for your house and chop what you going to give you. Because our country no more movement, no more go from.